America faces a health crisis. Chronic diseases are on the rise. Obesity, heart disease, and diabetes are just a few examples. Life expectancy is declining. This is a stark contrast to other developed nations. Many factors contribute to this decline. However, one often overlooked culprit is our food system. Processed foods dominate the American diet. These foods are laden with harmful additives and chemicals. Upwards of 10,000 plus food additives with absolutely no nutritional value are allowed in US food, while Europe has only a max of 400 tops. They serve only to enhance flavor, color, and shelf life. The longer the expiration date, the worse for you. Yet, they may have serious consequences for our health. The long-term effects of these chemicals have been demonstrated over the last 70 years. Since mass agriculture's subsidized funding from the government ended up contaminating soil with Monsanto's GMO, Roundup, glyphosate-filled, genetically modified seeds of wheat, corn, and soy. The host of pesticides in the soil that once contained 56 plus minerals prior to the 50s now contains barely 3 minerals, all thanks to Monsanto, now owned by Bayer Pharmaceuticals. Many folks do not remember, but Bayer also made the gas for the gas chambers, which killed millions during Hitler's Nazi regime in Germany. However, growing evidence suggests a link between these additives and various health problems, just like red dye number 3 that was finally removed from food recently, after it had been removed from makeup over 25 years ago. The American people deserve better. We deserve access to safe and healthy food. We deserve a healthcare system that prioritizes prevention and well-being. Let's take a closer look at these harmful chemical food additives. One example is tartrazine, also known as yellow 5. This artificial food dye is found in many popular snacks and drinks. Studies have linked tartrazine to behavioral problems in children, including ADHD. Another culprit is high fructose corn syrup. This cheap sweetener is ubiquitous in processed foods. It has been linked to obesity, fatty liver disease, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions put a strain on our healthcare system and lead to suffering. These are just two examples among so many. The list of potentially harmful additives is long and growing. It's time we start paying attention to what we're putting into our bodies. The food industry prioritizes profit over health. This is unacceptable. We need greater transparency in food labeling. Consumers have the right to know what's in their food. We also need stricter regulations on the use of these additives. Our health should not be compromised for the sake of convenience or profit. In a surprising turn of events on August 23, 2024, RFK Jr. was appointed by Trump for Secretary of Health that he knows God answered his prayers on. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was recently confirmed Secretary of Health and Human Services, February 13, 2025 in the Oval Office of the White House where he first placed foot in with his father and uncle JFK. He reflected and reminisced. This confirmation has sparked both hope and controversy, with most Americans beckoning for big change quick as they watch their kids get sicker every year. Kennedy is a known critic of the food, chemical, and big pharma industry and its practices. He has long advocated for stricter regulations for safe vaccines and freedom of choice in healthcare. He has been a vocal proponent of environmental health for decades. His confirmation as HHS Secretary signals a potential shift in priorities for the department. Some view Kennedy as a beacon of hope. They believe he will use his position to fight for a healthier America. Others are more skeptical. They question his ability to enact meaningful change. Only time will tell what impact Kennedy will have. With the support of President Trump and an excellent team of doctors, scientists, and professionals at his side, he will be surely off to a running start. Although his confirmation has ignited a crucial conversation about the state of American healthcare. It has brought the issue of safe vaccinations, chemicals in food, air, and water to the forefront. The United States lags behind many other developed countries in terms of healthcare. Countries like Japan and Costa Rica, who are in top 5 with their focus on preventative healthcare, consistently outrank the US, with US ranked at number 35 in the world. Our current system is often referred to as a sick care system. It focuses on treating illness rather than preventing it. We need to shift from a sick care system to a healing care system. This means prioritizing preventative measures such as eating healthy organic food and water without hormone-disrupting chemicals like xenoestrogen plastics. GMO food labeling would greatly allow Americans to make wiser choices with the food they buy, along practicing regular healthy exercise. It means addressing the root causes of illness, not just the symptoms. This shift requires a fundamental change in our approach to healthcare. It requires us to invest in public health initiatives. It requires us to empower individuals to take control of their health. The confirmation of RFK Jr. should prove to be a major step in the right direction. He has the potential to be a powerful advocate for change. However, it is up to all of us to demand better for our health and the health of future generations. We need to hold our elected officials accountable for creating a healthier and more sustainable food system. Only then can we hope to reverse the current health crisis and build a healthier future for all Americans. If you enjoyed learning today about RFK Jr., please like, share, and subscribe to the Breaking Trump News channel. Tell us your thoughts on RFK Jr. making changes in health and human services. Are you happy to welcome healthier food, air, and water to America, along with safer vaccines and more preventative medicine measures? Your voice matters. By joining this conversation, you're taking a stand for a healthier future. Together, we can push for the changes that will transform our healthcare system into one that truly cares for and heals its people. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's build a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and stay hopeful.